Welcome back to the channel, everyone. In today's video, let's talk about the momentum buying and selling candle, one in which that makes up the world of difference when the market is making its move in a specific direction. A lot of traders get caught up in trying to figure out, first and foremost, which way is the market moving as a whole. Okay, so I recommend using a higher base chart or whatever chart you're actually trading from or looking to trade from. Figure out the overall direction on that chart, whether it's time frame, range-based charts like I trade, whatever it is that you may be trading from, okay? You got to determine market structure first. That is the most solid key or component to actually trading. Now, when it comes to the buying pressure or selling pressure within the market, yes, we could see that the market, say for example, moves in waves to the upside and moves in waves back to the downside. That's where we get our higher highs and our higher lows from, as the market's either trending in one direction or trending down in a different direction. So for one thing that you really need to pay close attention to is, if you ever heard the term, the trend is your friend, follow the trend. Yes, do so in those regards. Now, there is what's called, like I trade, supply and demand zones, right? Or some of you may call them order blocks. You have to understand this right now. Not every single order block or supply and demand zone is going to be the most optimum or, opportunity or the best zone to actually trade from, okay? It may not be the best level. I always talk about confluence just as well. So like if you have zones marked up on your chart, you want to make sure that the zone that you're actually trading from has a confluence, that the zone also has the significant buying or selling pressure that, move away from that zone, whether it's, a demand zone where the market rushed to the upside or to the downside. You need to really understand the bigger global perspective, in a sense, which is who's controlling the market. It's the institutions, for one. You got to understand what they're doing. They are the ones that are outlining or paving out the footprint on the actual chart. Now, as retail traders, we've got to figure out, when it comes to trading and what they're doing, which candle, which area do we mark up as valid areas of supply or demand. True traders really understand, and I'm talking about like 5% or less of people that know how to really trade. They know in specific which candles sticks on the chart make up, most of the buying or most of the selling pressure that you see, okay? That's why in today's video, it's like I want to talk about that, because that's a very, very, very imperative conversation to have with you. And I'm really going to be breaking down this information and going more in detail for all those that are part of the elite and the ultra elite supporter membership program. That's part of the YouTube membership program here on the channel. You can join and become either an elite or an ultra elite supporter for as low as $6.99 a month. That's where you're going to gain access to all my trade breakdown videos, where I'm walking you through setup after setup after setup, providing you with the video playlist, plus also providing you with a great video surrounding market structure. And then you can also become an ultra elite supporter if you choose to go that route too, to where you receive my pre-recorded live trading sessions as well. Okay, now, this is where I'm going to start going into more detail about specific concepts of things that really outline, more the important things that you actually see as far as what takes place within the market. You have to be able to understand on these charts. You don't need a bunch of technical indicators to be able to, trade in a specific direction. Do indicators work? I don't place a lot of emphasis in them other than the volume profile. Volume is extremely important. I've talked about that here on the channel, and more so in detail for those that are part of the elite and the ultra elite supporter membership. So you can become an elite or an ultra elite supporter by finding the link down in the description portion of the video. You can also click on the membership tab right here in front of you on the video. Right here you see a tab says membership, or you can go over to the homepage here on the channel and also click the membership tab. You'll see a few tiers pop up, and you have the choice to choose either the elite or the ultra elite tier. It outlines the price, plus you also see it, which is very inexpensive, guys. Like I said, $6.99 a month, which breaks down to be like 24 cents on the day. That can make up a world of difference. Something that for very, a very small fee. For example, you're supporting the channel is what you're doing by doing so, but you're also receiving perks and rewards back of valid information that can help you in your own personal trading. Okay, there's a Discord community also if you were interested in joining. The link is down in the description portion of the video as well. tons and tons of people who are still with us on the Discord. Some have left. I don't expect everyone to stick around forever. But what I'm trying to say is they're using the same exact strategy, and they are part of the elite and ultra elite supporter membership group, because that is where people are really understanding and learning, the systematic or way or strategy how I trade, because that's why I shared the blueprint behind, within the video content behind how I trade through the trade breakdown videos, the video playlist, things of that nature. But what I'm trying to tell you today is that you got to understand momentum, because momentum is extremely important when the institutions are actually making their moves. Just for a prime example, like what took place in this area here today, what took place in this area here, what took place in this area right here, when you're looking at your actual charts to be able to identify things. One thing in specific that's extremely, extremely important that gives you, I guess, kind of like an outlier in a sense, but that really gives you a more so behind the curtain or behind the scene, if you understand the concept, which is liquidity. The markets are always seeking for liquidity. They're setting traps up, but they're also seeking to try to stop traders out, whether they're buy stops or sell stops that the institutions, the banks, the big hedge funds, companies, they are the ones that are pushing the market. They have the funds to be able to inject, to take traders out, retail traders as a whole. So they set up traps to be able to position themselves and to fulfill orders that they're looking to, and when they're looking to move in a certain direction. You've got to understand that. So the buying and selling candle that you see when the market is, say, raced above a liquidity area, okay, or below a liquidity area, taking and stopping traders out, that gives them the fuel that they actually need to continue moving in a prime direction, okay? I'm going to cover this more in detail again for the elite and the ultra elite supporters in more detail, so you understand that concept of how liquidity is a major factor when it comes to looking for those buying and selling candles, which ones at certain zones make the most sense. So when we see aggressive candles that push above, say for example, or push above a demand area or demand zone, or push below a demand or selling point that actually takes out a level of liquidity where we have a structure break, that is what we need to look at, okay? So we're going to go into detail and talking about that for those that are part of the elite or the ultra elite supporter group that want to become one. If you're not, the link is down in the description like I talk about. But you definitely probably want to, maybe take a look into that if you choose to. I'm not here to force anyone's hand. I'm just telling you, because that's where I'm going to go in detail about this concept more so. This can kind of help you out. You may, it may take you from more of a beginner to novice trader to maybe even a professional trader if you understand just the simple concepts. Again, you don't need a bunch of indicators, okay? You really don't. Just as an example, have you ever noticed where, maybe you see the market pushing to the upside, okay? And it's making a high. And then the market goes back up and tests that high again, all right? And maybe it runs through that high just by a smidge, by a hair. And then you as a trader, maybe you trade breakouts and you're looking to go long, right? So then the market starts moving in the opposite direction. And you may call it like a failed breakout, right? All right, so then where the market starts retracing back, but with intention, really, in reality, the market is going to start moving back in that same direction, okay? You don't want to be caught up in that, because that is where the pool of liquidity is actually being formed at, and the market on its pullback is coming back down to race, and as it's going up to take traders out, it's coming back down to take traders out. So it's fueling the moves. The institutions are fueling their move and their positions by retracing back to gather the strength, because think about it in terms like this. If you were trading and wanting to buy, would you want to be buying into higher prices or into lower prices? So what I'm saying right there is that the dips, the pullbacks, the key areas, you've got to understand what's going on there for, from the mindset and the logic behind the institutions. I always talk about in videos, you need to think like the bigger players, like the bigger fish, or you're going to get gobbled up like the small fish, okay? All right? Yes, it may seem like a massive ocean, but there are, there's a massive fish that swims around kind of like Pac-Man, like I talk about, to gobble you up, okay? And you don't want to be you don't want to be trapped in that, because the bigger player has the funds to outdo you every single time. You don't have the pockets deep enough to weather the storm. Trust me when I say that. So, understanding the global perspective of what the institutions are trying to do every single day and keeping that on the forefront of your mind makes trading more simple and simplistic if you understand, and not complex at all if you understand why the markets are moving. What most people feel as if the market is out to get them, when in reality, the market is not. It's just an understanding of what their agenda, what their goal is in every single day. Okay, it's not in the end, but it's every single day. Trying to figure that out by looking at higher base charts can make things, more simpler. If you understand the global perspective of what's going on, the market is trending, in an upward trajectory direction, then you should know your mindset should be focused on taking long entry trades unless the market changes direction to where we have an uptrend, now we have a downtrend. So again, figuring out that at a key area of demand or supply and to identify that specific momentum buying or selling candle, that's what's going to tell you, show you the pressure in which the market is trying to actually move. So when you see a beautiful area of demand that has a fair value gap or gap attached to it, guess what? And it's broke through an area of very significant, say for example, a liquidity area. Guess what? The market is, if it comes back to that area, it's a strong valid zone to look for something, to basically happen at that area. Okay, so I'm going to go in detail about that. In a video that I will create here very soon and post over for the elite and the ultra elite supporters just as well. Okay, so pay attention to that, but understand you got to look for those areas where momentum is either pushing and buying to the upside, pushing and selling to the downside. Okay, or look for those directional shifts where the market may have been momentum pushing to the downside, and now the market starts trending in the opposite direction, basically where you have a reversal and the momentum shift went from selling to buying, and looking for areas where the market, where the institutions are setting their plays up to continue to reverse the market to push it back higher. That happens, all right? So anyways, that's all I have to share with you actually today, guys. I hope everyone has a fabulous weekend. If you have not subscribed to the channel, you need to do so right now. Why not? There's valuable content that I share every single day here on the channel. So go ahead and make sure to sub. It's free. Click that button down below. Make sure to turn your post notifications on as soon as you do that, which is that bell, so you do not miss any of the uploaded information here on the channel, any of the video content. And if you found some value in today's video content with me just talking about, the buying and selling of those very high pressured candles that are breaking through areas of, when the market's breaking structure and you see it taking out liquidity to the upside, to the downside, that is what we need to be focused on. The momentum within the market is what traders need to be focused in on, all right? So if you found value in today's video, please make sure to drop a like by clicking that thumbs up button. I greatly appreciate it. That's really all I have to share with you today. And, for those that are really want to dive deeper into the concept of what I explained today, what I talked about, you may want to think about becoming an elite or an ultra elite supporter, because I'm going to start dropping more, start creating more, kind of valuable content surrounding more in detail about the topics that I talk about here on the public side of the channel. So take care. Hope everyone has a great weekend.